welcome to Shivansh fun video. Like it and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is my birthday, so my parents brought me a gift. So the gift is a Nerf gun. So let's get unboxing. New big Nerf gun, which is heavy. This is the new Elite 2.0 Turbine CS18. It has 36 bullets and this magazine can hold 18 bullets. So let's unbox this also. This fits. Yes. Okay. Hands up. This is where if the magazine is jammed, so you could push the bullet, then it will be unjammed. So we will throw this in the box and let's see. I think here you put the scope. Yeah, here you put the scope and here there is the magazine. So let's get the magazine out. Nice. Here is the spring up here. Guys, I just got how to get this out. You have to push this button. This button unlocks it, and then you can remove this magazine. So yeah, I'll remove the bullets inside of here. Okay. So guys, yeah, I just opened it and there are two types of bullets. One is a blue color, I don't know the name, and one is the orange one. So these two do not have any differences, or maybe they are just for style. So we will load the magazine and then let's see how it performs. And here is the C-type batteries. You could get any version of it. So yeah, here the gun. You remove the screw and yeah, open it. One, two, third battery and fourth battery. Okay, so I'll load the magazine and let's see the performance. So I just finished loading the you. Okay, I think it's done. So guys, I played a little bit. It was fun. Some technical errors, but it's okay. You have this for if it's jammed, then you can put it back or push this so it will be unjammed, and it's nice. It makes this sound and it shoots pretty fast. Guys, it's a very nice experience. If you have any jamming issues, then you can open this cap and inside here you can push it. Or if it's not possible, then I don't know. I'm not an expert that much at Nerf, but I hope you enjoyed this video. So you can share it, like it and subscribe it. And don't forget to hit that bell icon. So bye. Shukran.